Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create an art on Midjourney. First of all, type Midjourney Discord on Google search engine and click on Midjourney on the top. Now you have to click continue to Discord to open the Discord on your open the Midjourney on your Discord. Once you click on continue, it will automatically open Discord on your PC. Now all you have to do is click on any of the newcomers room. For example, I will select newbies 85. On this page, I will type /imagine, and it is asking me to type a prompt. So I have already created a prompt. 2 cyberpunk robot football players playing each other. They each wear a different NFL uniform. And this is my prompt, and I will give space and type --AR. AR stands for aspect ratio. And I will give another space and type 16:9, which is my aspect ratio, 16:9. So if I hit enter, now it has created a picture for me, 2 robots playing football with each other with different uniforms. So there are pictures that I want to select. I can select any pictures. For example, I like the 4th version most, so I will select U4, and I want 4 versions of this picture. So if I select these options, it has created me 2 more options. Well, this is the U4, and this is the 4 different versions of that same image. And I want to select any of the image that I want. If I select any of the image, for example, I like this picture too. So this is the final picture that I like. I will right click the picture and click on save image. And that's how you can create art on Midjourney. If you like this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.